How to make fresh homemade basil pesto. Step 1. 2 cups fresh basil, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup Parmesan cheese, I've got more, pine kernels, salt and pepper, obviously herbamare, Italian herbs. Gradually add half a cup of olive oil. Decided to add half a lemon juice. Giving it a taste. Oh my word, it's delicious. Remember, if you want to keep it in the fridge, to add a little bit more olive oil on top of it so it doesn't go green brown.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.